In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix try again later on Instagram. Now this is the issue that happens when Instagram restricts your account. This notification suddenly pops up and it says your account has been restricted. Now there are a few reasons why this may happen. The main one is that you violated the community guidelines of Instagram. So for example, if you spammed on Instagram, like you sent a follow request to many people at once, or if you liked many posts at once, Instagram sees this as a spam. But however, if you haven't done anything and you're still getting this error message, then I would suggest you that you will need to report this issue to Instagram. To do that, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, and tap on settings. Now before you get there, make sure that you take a screenshot of that pop-up notification or that error message. Once you take the screenshot, from here just tap on help and then tap on report a problem. Tap on report a problem again, don't include. Now through this section a default screenshot will be added. You can remove this and then just tap on upload and select the screenshot that you just took. After you add it in the screenshot, now you can type in the detailed explanation. Now you can type in something like this. You can also copy this exact text if you want, and then you can hit send on the top right. Now if you haven't violated the community guidelines or spammed on Instagram in any way, this issue should be resolved in a few days. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.